Next airdrop we're going to do is Tamodo. I just saw this come across. It looks pretty good. There's about 2 months left for this. I'd probably get into this one right away. It's like KickX coin. We're going to click down here on the sign up. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. There will be a link in the description box below. Remember, all airdrops. Never send money to any airdrops, even if they ask you to. We're going to sign up for this. I'm going to put my password in, and then we'll click it back up. And it's going to ask you for a confirmation link. So make sure you go to your account. Your account has been activated. Go to your email. I would show it, but it's not blocked, so it's an open thing. It's not like a little click button. So go there, click on that. You'll come right back to this page, and then log into your account. We'll sign in here. Then we'll go over to our profile over here. You go in and you fill all your information. We'll go up here and click on verified. Let's see what this is about. And then it's going to ask you to put a Bitcoin wallet or a PayPal. I think it gives you the option, but it looks like it only wants you to pick Bitcoin. You can pop that right into here and just click on submit. Yeah, so just make sure you go up here, you fill in your profile, fill in all that stuff. And then you're going to want to get your withdrawal stuff filled out as well. Fill in all that stuff. And you can click withdrawal if you want to at any point in time. So that's the end of this airdrop. This looks like it's a pretty big one. I know initially it doesn't have a lot of money on it. But it's well worth getting into this one. And I would definitely click on that link below. I will also, if you're new to cryptocurrency, I will put a link below in the description box of how to get a Bitcoin wallet. It's pretty simple to get. And we're off on to the next one. And definitely make sure that you click on the link in your email, because I believe it's going to put the check mark on this so you're verified on your account.